of sleet and heavy rainfall across sections of Massachusetts early this afternoon. There have been several reports of sleet across eastern and south-central Massachusetts early this afternoon. There may be some light accumulation before tapering off late in the day. There have also been bands of heavy rainfall moving across eastern Massachusetts. Some localized urban and port drainage flooding may occur in normally susceptible areas before tapering off late this afternoon. Motorists should slow down and take extra time in reaching their destinations.